Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the ChickenGuard Extreme Automatic Chicken Coop Pop Door Opener. The best ChickenGuard door kit available on the market. If you're a backyard chicken enthusiast looking to streamline your co-op management, this device is a game changer. Designed by ChickenGuard, renowned for their innovative poultry solutions. This automatic door opener is packed with features tailored for ease and reliability. First off, it lifts up to 8 pounds, ensuring compatibility with various co-op setups and sizes. Whether you have a small coop or a more extensive setup, the ChickenGuard Extreme has you covered. Picture this: you're away from home, and dusk approaches. With its built-in timer and light sensor, this opener ensures your chickens are safe inside at night and can get out early in the morning, even when you're not there to manually open or close the co-op. Crafted from durable materials, this device is weatherproof, operating seamlessly in extreme weather conditions. Its robust construction means it's built to last, a testament to ChickenGuard's commitment to quality. Setting up the ChickenGuard Extreme is a breeze. With straightforward installation instructions and all necessary hardware included, you can have it up and running in no time. Users rave about its simplicity and reliability. In conclusion, the ChickenGuard Extreme Automatic Chicken Coop Pop Door Opener is not just a convenience. It's peace of mind for poultry keepers everywhere. If you're ready to upgrade your co-op management, look no further. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on innovative products like this. Until next time, happy co-op keeping.